This is Cindy, and I want to talk today about my Sunday vibe going on. My Sunday vibe started out by going to church and singing and enjoying the music at church. And then after church, I had a meeting. The meeting lasted a really long time, and then after that, I had an errand or two to run, and then I got home. So when I got home, I was spent. I had had a really bad hair day. My clothes were frumpy, and I was tired and just feeling like a church lady. And so when I was in the kitchen starting dinner, I turned on the TV. And so the Grammys were on. So I was like cooking and listening to the Grammys. And so I was watching the Grammys, and one person after another came out and sang or talked or whatever. And they were so all dolled up and so rock and roll and so Grammy-licious. So I was feeling so frumpish. So after the dinner, my dinner was cooked, I came in my vanity area and I thought, I'm just going to create my own Grammy look. So I did. So I came in and I darkened my makeup, I freshened my lipstick, and I whacked out my hair. And so I just thought, I don't have to feel frumpish on a Grammy evening. I can have a great Grammy vibe going on and enjoy watching the singers and watching them dance and all the styles and the fashion, the hairdos and the makeup and all that fun stuff. But I was like feeling all, I've been at church and my hair's flat and I've got these wrinkled clothes and I'm tired and, my waistband is too tight. I need to go home and kick off my shoes and change clothes. So, and then when I turned on the Grammys and everybody was so beautifully decked out, I thought, that's it. I'm going to go and I'm going to put my Grammy look on. So I did. So this is my Grammy look tonight, you guys. And tonight at the Grammys, a couple of the chants that they're saying is, I wrote them down. I don't know if you can take it. And so they're singing the songs. I don't know if you can take all this. And another thing that they're doing is, let's see here. Oh yeah, of course they're doing, throw your hands up, throw your hands up. And they're honoring two of my all-time favorites, Neil Diamond and Tina Turner. Well, my memories of Tina Turner are, of course, that movie with her and her husband that was so abusive to her, Ike. But my memories of Neil Diamond are so special because when my daughter was in third grade, and she's 38 now, so at the time, it's been many years, I went back to school to earn my master's degree. And it took me about a year and a half to earn it, but it was the most miserable year and a half of my life. So I worked all day teaching, and then from 4 until 10, 2 nights a week, I sat in class. And then I also had to write papers and read books during the week. So on the weekends, I would usually do my homework on the weekends. And once my homework was done, I would turn on my jacuzzi and I would go sit outside in the heat of the jacuzzi, and I would put my earphones on, and I had an old Neil Diamond tape of his greatest hits, and I would listen to him sing. And between his songs and that hot jacuzzi water, every one of my tight muscles, it just soothed me. His songs, the melodies, the words, and I would just sing along with him. And I fantasized about him. I fantasized about all the songs that were so romantic and so poetic, and I was all over it. And so between my hot jacuzzi and the beautiful songs of Neil Diamond, I finally got through and earned my degree, my master's degree. So thank you to Neil Diamond. So I just wanted to come on tonight because if this 68-year-old lady can get her Sunday vibe on and get her Grammy look going on, you can too. I just thought, all the singers and the gals were just so stunning, and I felt so frumpish that I had to come in to my vanity, and I just had to do something about it. So anyway, maybe I can make it to one of the Grammy after parties. What do you guys think? This is Cindy, and I've got my Sunday vibe going on because of watching the Grammys, and I just wanted to touch base with you guys. I had to share it with somebody, and if not you, who? So this is Palm Springs Cindy saying until our next conversation. Bye-bye.